Cathie Wood says Shiba Inu coin will reach $1 per Shib. Are you wondering if the bearish outlook of the crypto market presents the perfect opportunity to buy Shiba Inu coin? Or maybe you're like thousands of people who are unsure if Shiba Inu coin is safe to invest in. Today we're going to discuss what Cathie Wood said about crypto and Shiba Inu coin and why it will reach $1. So watch this video till the end because today's video is going to be a bomb. Welcome to Shiba Inu coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 2nd of August, shall we? Shiba Inu is taking inspiration on the 1st of August as it looks to extend the 31st of July's upswing from near the 590 millionths of a dollar support area. The recent rally in the so-called Dogecoin killer was fueled by eToro's, the leading investment platform, listing of Shiba Inu in response to rising demand from traders. Meanwhile, encouraging developments around the adoption of cryptocurrencies and institutional demand bodes well for Shib price. Shib price gearing up for a fresh upswing? As observed on the daily chart, the Shib price has taken out the falling trendline resistance at 635 millionths of a dollar, although a daily closing above that level is awaited to confirm a 3-week-old falling wedge breakout. Even after an upside break of the wedge is validated, the Shib bulls will need to find a strong foothold above the descending 21 daily moving average, DMA, at 657 millionths of a dollar. The next bullish target for Shib price is aligned at the 50 DMA, at 736 millionths of a dollar. Despite the ongoing uptrend, Shib bulls remain cautious, as the 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, still holds below the 50.0 threshold. If the falling wedge breakout doesn't materialize, then Shib sellers could fight back control, knocking off the rate back towards the 590 millionths of a dollar range lows. The falling trendline supports at 459 millionths of a dollar could be brought into play should the downside pressure gain momentum. Now let's get back to the topic. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest Management LLC bought the dip on Bitcoin. As Bitcoin's price briefly fell below $30,000 for the first time since the start of the year, Ms. Wood's ARK Next Generation exchange-traded fund snapped up more than 1 million shares of a publicly traded Bitcoin fund, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Meanwhile, her flagship ARK Innovation ETF also bought roughly 214,000 shares of cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase Global Inc. Ms. Wood, who publicly shares her trades daily at the end of each session, is one of the cryptocurrency's most bullish fund managers. She's repeatedly said publicly that Bitcoin will eventually reach $500,000 apiece, and the cryptocurrency is the 7th biggest position in her Next Generation ETF. The bet is emblematic of Ms. Wood's brash approach to investing. While most traditional Wall Street fund managers have largely avoided the volatile cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu coin, Ms. Wood has become one of its most public backers. Her Bitcoin price call is premised on institutions and companies allocating as much as 5% of their cash to the cryptocurrency. But firms remain a long way off from broad adoption of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Square Inc. and MicroStrategy Inc. are among companies that have crypto allocations. So, following all that, will Shiba Inu reach $1? Before you place your investment in any digital currency, it's important that you understand how to buy its tokens and keep them secure. Most investors invest in cold or hot storage wallets to keep their tokens away from exchanges as they're susceptible to hackers. The best place to store your coins is on cold storage, where they are not connected to the internet, especially if you're in it for the long term. Shib token is special in that it has its decentralized exchange. It is a non-custodial platform where the tokens do not come into contact with other coins. It means then that the exchange is not a target for many hackers, other than other centralized exchanges that harbor multiple digital currencies. These types of exchanges are, in that case, more secure than the latter. In addition to security, you can trade your Shib tokens directly from this exchange with other ERC20 tokens. Interestingly, the wording of Shiba Inu Wolf Paper, commonly referred to as the White Paper, and their Shib promotional campaigns isn't as dedicated to going above $1 as it is directed towards outperforming Dogecoin. In fact, the official Shiba Inu website describes Shib as an ERC20 only token that can remain well under a penny and still outpace Dogecoin in a small amount of time, hence the nickname Dogecoin Killer. But this hasn't stopped Shiba Inu traders and crypto market analysts from speculating on whether SHIB will reach $1 and working out the different factors that they believe will help the token hit this target. A lot of online projects and developments are growing through sheer hype. Even Ponzi schemes platforms that do not offer a lot in terms of changing people's lives for the better are growing as a result of getting hyped by their supporters. With people now able to communicate freely and easily through the same social media platforms, there are bound to be a lot of not-so-useful things whose value will go over the room through the hype, most of them being cryptocurrencies. Among the most hyped cryptocurrencies is the SHIB token. It has gained popularity because of its meme theme, and social media users are currently going through a wave of a meme revolution. In the last few years, memes have been a source of information and entertainment, with almost every major occurrence in the world being relayed in memes. Dogecoin has already launched several online campaigns, albeit unsuccessfully, aimed at catapulting the meme currency above $1. This then implies that if Shiba Inu is to beat Doge, especially when it comes to per token price, it too has to set its target above $1. But considering that there currently are only 135 billion Dogecoins and 1 quadrillion Shiba Inu tokens, is a $1 valuation of SHIB tokens actually feasible? The crypto community is sharply divided with regards to Shiba Inu's ability to reach $1, but the general feeling is that the SHIB token will not come anywhere near $1 in the foreseeable future. And to understand why it's not feasible for the coin to reach $1, you only need to look at Shiba Inu's maximum token supply. The coin's maximum token supply is capped at 1 quadrillion tokens, which implies that Shiba Inu would amass a $1 quadrillion market cap if the token were to reach $1. This is more than 20 times the national GDP for the US in 2020 and 500 times the current market capitalization of the entire crypto industry. At the current price, Shiba Inu would need to grow its value by 11.5 million% to reach $1. This translates to consistent growth of more than 1.6 million% for the next 7 months if it hopes to reach parity with the dollar by the end of the year, or 210,000% per month consistently for the next 4.5 years if it expects to reach $1 by December 2025. After running through these numbers, crypto market experts and investors are confident that it will be highly unlikely for Shiba Inu to reach $1 this year or anytime soon. Shiba Inu investors and crypto market analysts are hugely bullish about the coin prices in the immediate future. They are, however, hugely bearish about its long-term price action, and especially not convinced that the SHIB token will reach $5 or even come close to $1 in the near future. Some of the key factors that analysts believe will prevent Shiba Inu from reaching these price levels include its bulky size and the apparent lack of intrinsic value. They also believe, for a token that pegs its price action on community acceptance and hype, Shiba Inu has failed to attract enough social media hype or celebrity endorsements to thrust it towards $1. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!